What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to episode 5. I'm feeling a lot better today. I've still got a little bit of a headache, but it's manageable. It's not a problem. I can deal with it. So yeah, sorry about the short video yesterday. I was non-functional the whole day. I was out. Yeah, not here, not working, not doing nothing. Just done. So yeah, apologies for that, but these things happen, you know? So yeah. Anyways, let's get on today's episode. What are we doing? Like episode 5? Chaos Daily 5, yeah. So some people like that I hang out with, like the Discord channel called Advanced Rocketry, yeah, just name dropping a few names here. They were talking about different tools and different CAD softwares and stuff. I help out on the Discord with CAD related problems and stuff, help people figure out the issues and stuff so that they can model the things that they want to model. And we got talking about helixes, spinny things. So I was like, yeah, okay, there's like so many ways you can make a helix in all of these CAD softwares. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to make a helix in Inventor, and I'm going to do a bit of a flex, because I'm going to show you how easy it is to make helixes in Inventor, opposed to some of these other CAD software. Because I went and watched a few tutorials on making helixes in different CAD software, so I could help out their question, because it was a Fusion 360 related question, and I use Inventor, and it's like, well, all CAD softwares are slightly different, so I should know what I'm talking about when I give someone advice. And yeah, I was like, ugh, cringe. It's so bad watching other people use other CAD software that isn't Inventor. Inventor is God. It's the best. So let's get into that. The universe travels the path of entropy. The only way forward is chaos. Making a helix in Inventor is super easy, right? What I've done here is I've created a 3D sketch, and then I've used the helical curve tool and defined a helix in a 3D sketch, right? Click OK. And then you create a work plane that is tangential to the end of this curve, and you create a sketch on it with a circle. You hit sweep, you select the circle, you select the curve as your path. Now that's just making a helix offset from the helix, right? We don't want that. So we're going to come in here to this twist and hit 10,000. And oh look, you make a helix around a helix. Yeah, so like there are 5 ways to do anything in any CAD software. Part of the fun of using CAD, and like a lot of people that use CAD find it very daunting. There's so much that you have to like learn, and it's a steep learning curve. But honestly, once you start learning, just playing around with the different tools and seeing what they do and what the janky ways you can mess with stuff, it becomes a lot of fun when you start understanding all these different aspects and then trying to work out it's problem solving, basically trying to work out how to get from point A to point B to make your thing. And sometimes you can make the first half of the thing a certain way, but then the last half you can't because of the tools you use to get to that part. So you have to figure out which method to use to get from point A to point B to point C so that it all works. And that's the thing I love about CAD, is this whole puzzle problem solving thing, figuring out what tools to use to do what to get to what outcome. And that's really what I want to try and teach people with CAD software, so that they can find it more fun and enjoyable and less daunting, and that way we'll start seeing people come out with some amazing stuff. So yeah, another short episode for Chaos Daily, but a lot more fun, no headache. So yeah, I'm going to go now work on the next episode of the Draco series. There's a lot of work for me to do on that today. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And until then, expect the unexpected. See you guys later. And a special thank you to all my patrons that help support the channel. If you would also like to support the channel, there's a link in the description.